أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will start lesson number 11, Sakoon, Jazam. So every Sakoon letter or Jazam letter will be preceded by Mutaharrik letter. So Mutaharrik means Fatha Kasra Dhamma letter will be connected with Sakoon or Jazam. So let's start. Alif Ta Fatha At, Alif Ta Kasra It, Alif Ta Dhamma Ut, At, It, Ut. And in this lesson we have to know that 5 calcula letters. We have 5 calcula letters: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. Okay, one second. Haruf al-Qalqala are 5: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. So when these calcula letters have Sakoon or Jazam, then there will be echo sound like vibration. So I will read, so you will repeat after me. Alif Ta Fatha At, Alif Ta Fatha At, Alif Ta Kasra It, Alif Ta Dhamma Ut, At, It, Ut. Next, Za letter. Za is not calculated letter. Alif Za Fatha Az, Alif Za Kasra Is, Alif Za Dhamma Uz, Az, Is, Uz. Next, Alif Dal Fatha Ad, Alif Dal Kasra Id, Alif Dal Dhamma Ud, Ad, Id, Ud. Next, Alif Za Fatha Az, Alif Za Kasra Is, Alif Za Dhamma Uz, Az, Is, Uz. Next, Alif Tha Fatha Ath, Alif Tha Kasra Ith, Alif Tha Dhamma Uth, Ath, Ith, Uth. Next, Alif Sin Fatha As, Alif Sin Kasra Is, Alif Sin Dhamma Us, As, Is, Us. Next, I will read without spelling. Okay, As, Is, Us. Next letter Dal. Dal is calcula letter, so Indian echo sound. Ad, Id, Ud. Next, Dad, Ad, Id, Ud. Now I will go to next page. Ak, Ik, Uk. Next letter calcula letters. Red color letter are calcula letters. So Ak, Ik, Uk. Ah, Ih, Oh. Ah, Ih, Oh. Next, after Alif, when Alif has harkat, then we say Hamza. So after Alif or Hamza, next Hamza letter. So green letter is Hamza. So when Alif or Hamza has Sakoon, then previous letter will be pause. So Alif, Hamza, Fatha, A, or Hamza, Hamza, Fatha, A, I, O. Okay, A, I, O. Next, Ain letter, A, Ir, Or. Next, Ach, Ich, Och, Ag, Ig, Ug. Next, calcula letter, Ab, Ib, Ub, Am, Im, Om. Now, Aw, because we read in the lesson number 9, Wawlin and Yalin, so that is Wawlin. Because before Waw, Fatha sign. So, Aw and U. There is no like Waw has Kasra, like Alif has not Kasra there. So that's why we will not say. So next, Af, If, Of, al, il, ul, an, in, un, ar, ir, ur, aj, ij, uj, ash, ish, ush, I, e. Okay, so inshallah in the next video we will start exercise mashq. You will. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.